We have arrived in Norway, in Bergen, Norway, and we are going to head out, check out the wharf. Woohoo! Woohoo! Anything to say?
Not really. Looking forward to it.
Looking forward to it. Okay. Good. Just finished dinner. Now we're walking along the wharf. So pretty.
I would like to get a family photo with, isn't it?
Norway's actually quite a poor country up until like 1960s, and then they struck oil in the North Sea, and they struck a lot of it.
I can't really get a photo with us family and that in the background.
And this is a great portrayal of the family dynamic.
Me there trying to get selfies.
Just staring off into the distance.
Dad talking about the history of the place and me recording it.
Oh, I turned it off. Is that good? No?
I think I was really choosing.
I went for a while. You don't have to take a photo of the photo.
Hilarious. Nice. Oh yeah. Hi everyone, good morning. We're on the day tour thing. It's like a pretty packed schedule, but yeah, we just got off the first train. Now we're on a bus in like 15, and yeah, I'll keep you updated.
Is the weather small?
Oh.
Come on down here, Kevin. That's what I wondered. Look at this poor island.
If you guys do the...
We're talking about
We're doing a Viking tour. Any info that you can give them?
there was a Viking village here, I think, and so they've found remnants of it. Anyway, hopefully we'll find out in this tour.
Recycled wood is also more or less what we. Some kind of blends for it, and for some colors it's quite easy.
Mom and I did the Viking tour, and then Dad and Harry went off walking, now just in the Viking little village. It's so incredibly cute. They're just like Vikings just walking around.
It's blueberry jam and bacon.
I can see that.
Dad's the slightly
I double checked. I said, so these come with blueberry jam and bacon. Is that right, Jenny? Yep.
true Viking food.
We're at the Viking cafe and we've got some pancakes, slightly unusual crepes with blueberry jam and bacon. This looks like a half. Let no, we'll save you a bit. They're a bit unusual. Yeah. Bye. Yeah. They're all like they're 3. They come like that.
Oh, this is half.
Are they not all half? Well, someone got hungry on the way.
Yeah, well, that's kind of what I was thinking.
Next phase. I'm in awe. This is the boat company, I guess. Yeah, you should definitely do this. Thanks, Mum, for, organising this. Wait. You know what I thought those white balls remind me of? You know those white things?
Is it actually hay?
Yeah, I'd assume so. But it kind of looks like cheese balls, kind of like mozzarella or like bocconcini.
Yeah.
This is straight off a TV commercial. Oh, pretty though. I'm amazed. So it's actually freezing, like you won't believe. We'd nearly done the day trip around, just had some dinner in Bergen. We're going to head back very shortly, but yeah, I do think it's funny that this is like the summer temperatures, like it's windy and cold, and you just can imagine how cold it would be during winter. Sorry, I'm distracted by the view.
I'll show you. Man, do you know what coal size hair I might have?
And all that kind of stuff. So just
My bad, listen. I think Dad's putting something away.
We are changed, ready to go. It's not the cutest fit at all. Today we are going on a hike. It's like a 5-hour round trip. But it's supposed to be great views. Hopefully it is with the cloudy weather. We'll see. That's the agenda for today, and then it'll be just like a chill evening, I think. Anyway, I didn't really recap yesterday. I mean, it was incredible. It was called Norway in a nutshell. If you are interested, they book all of the trains and buses and cruise and stuff, and it's really good. I would recommend. I don't know how much I'm going to record, but I'll bring you anyway. We just made it to the top. Yo! Actually, we've already had some food. Mum and Dad have started on the way back. I'll insert some photos of what it's supposed to look like because it's so cold. But we had some sandwiches
Left.
and now we're going to head back down.
No, the other way. Yeah.
It continues to tumble me, this camera. Anyway, we are nearly done. It's been actually, kind of hard. And my shoes are sopping. Ooh, nearly dropped the camera because my hands are not functional. They're so cold. Anyway, I'm gonna stop complaining. It's absolutely gorgeous. I've actually loved this walk. I'm excited to get back down, be on the train, eat some food, have a nice shower when we get home. Hey. We are back. Finally. Oh my gosh. What a trip. We just picked this up on the way back. Look at them, like cute little sachets. Oh look, we did it. We did it.